Magandang araw! So, nandito na naman tayo sa another episode. So, ngayong araw, gagawa tayo ng fusilli tuna pasta. So, I have here 4 tomatoes, 3 cloves garlic, medium-sized onion, the fusilli pasta, and our hot and spicy tuna. If you want a regular tuna, which is not hot and spicy, it's okay. But for me, I will be using hot and spicy because I love spicy food. Okay, so let's start. So I have here a water to boil our pasta. I put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and a pinch of salt. While waiting for it to boil, let's prepare the tomatoes, garlic, and onion. So here they are, chopped and prepared already. So I have here a strainer and a bowl. Let's pour it to separate the flakes from the oil. It's boiling now. We can put our pasta. While waiting for the pasta to be cooked, let's prepare the sauce. Ito na ang ating fusilli tuna pasta. Yan, syempre titikman na natin. And this is best partnered with toasted bread. Mainit-init pa ang ating toasted bread. Kahango lang mula sa toaster. Tikman na natin. Yan siya. Ay, sarap. Siyempre hindi mawawala ito. Ayos na merienda. Sarap. Kain tayo, guys. Sarap. Ang sarap kasi maanghang siya. Pwede mo tong merienda, pwede mo na ring hapunan, tanghalian. Pwede din breakfast. Medyo mabigat kasi ito sa tiyan kasi pasta nga. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag may bago akong uploaded na video. Paki-like, comment, and share na rin ang video na to. Thank you for watching!